98 S10 with 4.3 vortec. I've changed the crank pulley on it because of uneven wear. I've changed idler pulleys on it. I've changed I don't know how many belts on it. I've got about 5 or 6 to choose from. And I've changed the tensioner out on it. The alternator is brand new. There's no play in this. All the bearings are good. I've ran a stethoscope on everything, but it's squealing. I've checked the harmonic balancer. It's not separated. It doesn't move. If anybody could give me some tips, that would be great.